Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I appreciate you stopping by as we check out Smokey Acres, which is located in Brooksville, Florida. This dirt road is one way in, one way out, and it can get pretty narrow, but don't worry, it won't scratch the paint. Once we arrived at our campsite, we went ahead and got Ronan situated and got him a little lunch. While my wife handled Ronan, I went ahead and started setting up the OVS Nomadic 4 rooftop tent. Once the PVC cover comes off, it's time to undo the two straps on either side of the rooftop tent and take out the bar that holds up the awning. As you can see, I just give the ladder a little pull and the tent opens right up. Once we get the tent opened up, it's time to open up the windows and get the ventilation going. As you'll see once I get in here, the tent has two windows, one on the left side, one on the right side, as well as the skylight that I still need to open up. And this mattress pad has seen better days. It used to be 3.5 inches thick. On this trip, I brought my mother-in-law and my daughter Ellie, and they took no time to start fishing in the pond. I didn't have Carly or Chloe on this trip, so I went ahead and set up their Hipcamp hammock chairs so everyone would have a place to sit. These chairs are super easy to set up and are extremely comfortable. Unfortunately for me, they do have a weight limit which I exceed, and I don't get to use them. These chairs have been put through the ringer over the last 3 years that the girls have used them, to include not just normal use, bad weather, and our dogs, who did get a hold of them one day. We were using them in the backyard. Now at Smokey Acres, there is a cabin and a yurt that you can rent, as well as a nature trail. that you can walk, which also has multiple hike-in campsites, which we will see. What you doing, bud? Spot number 6.
Oh, I like this one.
It's a belt. So if you put that on the line, if there's a fish that bites, it will, no, but if it doesn't ring, then it probably doesn't work.
That's not a very good bell.
You'll see a pretty big motor coach next door to us, as well as a massive fifth wheel, so getting bigger trailers back there is not going to be a problem. There is also a very clean bathroom with a sink and a shower that anybody can use. Because of how many people we had there, I did decide to run the nightcat hammock tent. The skies were clear and the weather was perfect, and we saw quite a few shooting stars throughout the night, which was really cool. Once the fire was going, I dropped in 2 packets that I purchased from Walmart that changed the flame to different colors, which lasted about an hour, hour and a half. Once morning came, it was time to pack up the nightcat hammock tent, which packs away into this nice little case. For breakfast, we had bacon and eggs. Now, Ronan loves eggs, but he's never had bacon. This was a first for him, and he devoured all of it. Is that yummy, Ronan? Is that yummy? After breakfast, we finished packing up all of our stuff and did one last look around at this amazing campsite. Now, it should be noted, each campsite has a table and fire ring, as well as a trash can. Now, I have to admit, I have been to Smokey Acres before, and I will tell you, I have never had a bad experience. I want to thank you for stopping and hanging out as we checked out Smokey Acres, and I look forward to seeing you next time as we continue chasing the experience.